In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to a single contact in Constant Contact. Whether you're following up with one subscriber or confirming details with a client, this quick walkthrough will make sure your message goes only to the person you intend. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Once you're on the dashboard, head to Contacts. Use the search bar to find the person you want to email by name or address. Open their contact record to confirm it's the right person and that the email address is up to date. It's also good practice to be sure you have permission to email this contact, which helps protect your deliverability. Constant Contact sends campaigns to lists or segments, so make sure this contact is on a list. If you already have a dedicated list for them, great. Confirm they're included. If not, add them to an existing appropriate list or create a simple one-person list with a clear name you'll recognize. Save your changes so the contact is definitely associated with that list. Next, open the email campaign you plan to send or create a new one if you haven't built it yet. Choose a template that fits your message, then customize the subject line, preview, text, and content. Keep the body clear and concise, and consider using personalization fields so the email greets the contact by name. Check links and images and proofread for typos. Aim for a single clear call to action so the recipient knows exactly what to do next. When everything looks good, continue to the sending options. At the recipient selection step, choose only the list or segment that contains this single contact. Deselect any other lists to prevent accidental bulk sends. Most accounts will show a recipient count. Verify that it says 1. If it doesn't, go back to contacts and confirm your list only contains the intended person, or apply a segment that narrows it down to just them. Finally, decide whether to send now or schedule. If you want it to go out immediately, select send and confirm. If timing matters, pick a date and time, double check your time zone, and schedule it. On the finally confirmation screen, review the details one last time, especially the recipient count. After sending or scheduling, you're all set. That's it. You've logged in, found your contact, ensured they're on a list, opened or created your campaign, targeted only their list, and sent or scheduled the email. Follow these steps anytime you need to reach a single person with precision and confidence in Constant Contact.